Hello and welcome to a Geeky Bit bonus. Today we will be recapping a Macintosh LC2. Let's take a look at the Macintosh cap kit. This kit is of course from Console 5, so here I'm gonna do something a little different than I did in my last recap video. We're gonna see not so much an up-close video, but a time-lapse video of me doing this. And before we get too crazy, here's what the board looked like before. Okay, and here is the finished board. Now let's see if it boots. And it looks like it does, so great. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. And if so, feel free to click that like button. And if you aren't subscribed so already, feel free to do so. And if you'd like to get notifications of my future videos, click that bell button.